Hi everyone. Just quickly, I'll show you today how to apply water decals on acrylic. For example, French without gel polish underneath, as well as on the top of gel polish, which can be very quick and easy. And water decals have wonderful designs, very precise and accurate. There is no mess, nearly no mess apart from water. And you can create a beautiful designs. Let's do it. Here I'll show you how to apply water decals on a gel polish. I have dipped with 2 coats of gel polish, cured but still a bit sticky. So that's ready to go. We take some water decals and I might use a white design. There is, that might help. Here is a film I'll put aside. Now you can see black swirls on this half of the little sheet. It's actually same designs but in white. So what I'll do, I'll just cut a piece. With these water decals, you don't have to cut a piece that's very close to design. You can do it quite roughly, because design actually exactly shape of the swirls. We'll drop it in the water, which is somewhere there. For a few seconds. My water probably cooled down by now. I like to use pretty warm, not a hot but pretty warm water, because it speeds up of decal to separate. Or maybe I can use white design. We can put 2 of them. Same thing. Cut it roughly around the edges, drop in the water. By this stage, first probably would be ready. Hope you can see it on the bottom. I will hold it by the edge with my fingers, and with my sharp tweezers I'll just slide actual design off. There you go. I will slightly tap it with a paper towel and it's ready to go. Now remember, with gel polishes it still has a tacky layer, and majority of the times it's very hard to reposition your design once it's on. So you want to try and position it as close as possible to desired way. We can try. It slightly moves, but I would be too scared to break it. I'll take again paper towel and press it lightly, and it's there. On the tacky layer of gel polish, edges of the decal stick to the surface absolutely perfect. In the meantime, our second piece ready to go too. If your water decal a little bit longer, like mine in the water, you might need to fiddle with it a little bit more. You have to be careful, as the water decals sometimes curl when they actually off the paper. So, but it's possible to pick it up, as I just did. Sometimes I rotate it on the paper. It's a little bit easier, and I pick up from the end that I want. Water aside. This is our design. Same holding it nearly losing it. Tap it lightly with paper towel, and we might put it here on opposite corner, and I'm trying my best to position it where I want it straight away, because I find it's a little bit uncomfortable to move it around. Then I'll tap a little bit, press paper towel very lightly, so hopefully all the excess water is gone. With this design and a longish tip, you probably could put something else in the middle, but we will leave it as it is. And now it's ready to be covered with the top gel. On this tip, I will use top coat with tacky layer, which I normally would for my gel polish. Make sure you cover your entire nail as you would without decals, not to miss anything. There. It's a little bit awkward position for me, so I'm always going off the screen. I'm happy with that. Everything is covered, and it goes in a light, in LED light in my case, for 1 minute. Now it's cured, but it still has a tacky layer. You might not see it. So I take lint-free wipe with a little bit of cleaner on it. Wipe the surface as you would with normal gel polish. It's all gone, and here's our design. I hope you can see it. There is absolutely no edges being seen. So perfect swirls and perfect design. You don't have to be an artist to create something like this. I hope it will help. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.